Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Want your thumbnails to pop? I'll show you how to add a cool glow effect in Canva. First, click Create. Next, set a custom size by entering 300 by 300 pixels. We'll use this specific size for the purposes of this tutorial. To add a new element, select the image you want to use. For example, if you're creating a thumbnail, the first step is to remove the background from your chosen image. This makes the subject stand out and looks more professional. Now, go to the dashboard. To add a glow effect, first duplicate the image. Next, select the duplicated layer and click to access the blend mode options. Click Edit, then go to Filters. Scroll through the available options and find the two-tone filter. Once you've located it, select the filter and then choose the yellow color to apply to your image. Select the shadow element. Click the color option, then choose yellow from the color picker. This changes the shadow to yellow. Next, ensure your selection is still active. Locate and click the Edit button to proceed. You've now applied the yellow color to the shadow and prepared the element for further editing. Continue with additional modifications as needed in the Edit menu. Select the full image option from the menu. Once selected, locate the quality or compression setting slider. Adjust the slider to set the value to 95. This ensures the image retains most of its original quality while optimizing the file size. Double check that the full image option is still active and confirm the quality is set at 95 before proceeding to the next step. Return to your image and adjust it to match the previous position. Make sure the placement aligns with your original layout. That's it, you've successfully applied the glow effect to your image. If you'd like to keep your layers organized, select all the glow effect layers and the original image layer, then group them together. This step keeps your workspace tidy and makes future edits easier to manage. Hold Shift, select both objects, then drag a corner handle to resize together. Resize the image as needed. To remove the background using the standard method, first copy the image, then remove the background. Next, click the Edit button. Navigate to Shadows and select the glow effect. Change the glow color to yellow. Adjust the glow size to your preference for visibility. Increase the blur amount to enhance the effect. Set the blur value to 25 for a stronger, softer glow around the image. Review the changes to ensure the yellow glow appears evenly and enhances the subject. These steps will help your image stand out with a vibrant background effect, making your visuals more engaging and polished. Adjust the intensity setting as needed. Next, click and drag the corner of the window to resize it. Observe any changes in appearance or layout after resizing. Compare the differences to evaluate how resizing affects the display. Once you've reviewed the results, return the window to its original size to continue your workflow. Go to Edit, then search for the glow effect. This method is much easier compared to the previous approach, allowing you to quickly find and apply the effect without extra steps. It streamlines your workflow and saves you valuable editing time. To add glowing text, first insert your text onto the canvas. Click the text box to select it, then open the Effects menu. Scroll through the options and choose Neon for a glowing effect. Once selected, you'll see controls to customize the glow. Click the color picker to change glow color and match your design. You can also adjust glow intensity and direction using the available sliders. Experiment with these settings until you achieve your desired look, and then position your glowing text wherever you like on your project. Adjust the intensity as needed, and if you prefer, set the background to black for clarity. Once your design is ready, click the Share button located in the upper right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Download. Before downloading, be sure to maximize the file size settings to ensure the highest quality. After confirming your adjustments, click Download to save your project to your device. You just learned how to add a glow effect to your thumbnails in Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more creative tips.